Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's early fall, a little bit crisp in the air, as they say, so I figured let's come up north again. I don't know if you guys are getting sick of these. I hope not, because I'm not, because this is absolutely beautiful up here. So this is just another one of I've come to a slightly different area again. I'm going to explore this out. Maybe we'll try our luck at fishing again, and this time hold on to the rod. That would probably be a great idea. So let's head out there. Let's explore another area up here in northern Ontario and just enjoy these fall colors that we have. Like, I mean, guys, and like no one around. I love it. So, all right, let's jet and see what we can get up to. So, in a previous video, it may have been seen that I completely botched my old fishing rod. So I've got this little one set up. So let's try not to drop this one in the water. Man, it's dead quiet here though. Incredible. Well, here's hoping. See what we can get. Oh, I think I got something. I think I got something. Gotta get it. Watch it be seaweed. Fantastic. Come on, be a fish, baby. Be a fish. It's gonna be a log. What do we got? Nothing. What do we got? Oh, we got something. Oh. Ready? Where are you? Where are you, buddy? What do we got? Ooh, she's a pike. Okay, calm down, calm down. There we go, guys. Nope, hold on. I'm making sure the rod doesn't fall over first. There we go, guys. Nice little pike. Nothing too crazy, but we caught one. Caught one on the new fishing rod. So nice little one. All right, back. So there we go. Nice little pike there. Let's get him back in the water. There, 1, 2. Oh, he was gone in a rocket. And we didn't lose the fishing rod. Nice. All right, guys, let's keep going. Maybe we get some more. Look how beautiful this is. So we're just trolling away right now, kind of covering as much ground as we can. Hopefully we'll catch something else. Like, absolutely beautiful day. There's no one around. It's eerily quiet. Like, as a kid from the city, it's weird to not hear noise. Anyway, so we've done this bay, got one pike out of it. Let's go try another bay, see if we can get another one or some other kind of fish. We'll see what we get. Yeah, we got something. Please be big. Oh, please be big. You're fighting it. You're fighting it. Come on. Oh, little pikey. Stay there. Don't throw them. Don't throw it. Nice. Okay, stay in there. Ooh, feisty. Don't swallow the whole lure, bro. Okay. Well, you swallow the whole lure. Gravy. Oh, guys. Another little one here. Oh! Oh! He took off in a hurry. Love it. Oh, jeez. Hold on. Brakes. I think we got a little bit again. Come on. Oh, this might be weeds. This might be weeds. Nope, you're fighting. Nope, it's a fish. It's a fish. Let's fight. Come on, baby. Let's see what we got today. Come on. There you are. Ooh, nice. Hello, sir. Good. Okay. Nope. All right. I'm not losing my fishing line again. Haha, another one. There we go, guys. Another one. That's not bad. It's a little guy, but hey, we're out here catching, right? So, all right. Let's get you back in the water and ready for someone else. Come on. There you go. Well, I think I got enough fish out of this one area, so we're gonna go try one last area for the day. See if we can get some, a couple more there. Hopefully, maybe at least one, and then we'll call it and head it back to shore. So, we're gonna go into the next one. Whoa, he's running. Whoa, he's running. Oh gosh, he's running. Jeez. Wow, what the heck? Woohoo, she's a huge bass. No, stay. Stay there. Shoot, she's running. She's running. No. Come here. Look at this bass. Look at this bass. Oh my god, that's the biggest bass I've ever caught. Nope. See, this is how you lose your fishing line. Look at this monster. Look at that. Hold on. Look at this, guys. Look at that monster. That is a bass. That's a good bass. All right, guys. Filming this yet? Okay. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, wow, guys. That was a monster bass. Now I'm up the shore. Oh, wow. That was fantastic. Okay, now we're ready. Mask is on. Let's go. Hey guys, well, we've made it to the end of another video. Hope you enjoyed this fishing video and kind of just exploring up north here. So really good day. I caught quite a bit of fish. I'm quite proud. A couple pike, got that big bass there at the end. I mean, really good time. So anyways guys, like I said, fall's setting in, so not sure how many more videos I'm going to be able to make for you guys, but I will make some videos in the off season. I've got a couple things that I'm trying to figure out, so hopefully that will all work out, and I can get a little bit of content when we're not on the water enjoying the beauty that is this. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for everyone that's subscribed to the channel. We've had so much growth this year, guys. Thanks for all the comments. It's really great to hear from all of you, the likes, the shares, everything like that. I really do appreciate it. It's been a phenomenal season. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me, all the shout outs and stuff like that. So let's just keep it going. Hopefully we can do bigger and better things next year. So thanks again, and like I said, I'm hoping I can get maybe 1 or 2 more videos if the weather cooperates, but Canada, right? You never know. And until the next video, be safe out on the water. Peace.